What's up guys, David Falla here. Welcome to 2-Minute Tuesdays. Today we're gonna be talking about how to properly hold your shears. This is a question I get asked all the time just because people see me on the videos holding my shears in a different position, and I'm gonna show you guys why I do it. The normal way that most people hold their shears is by doing this and putting their finger here, right? And they create this movement with the shears, right? But the problem with that is that sometimes in certain positions, you're gonna have your shoulder high by trying to do this, right? This becomes very uncomfortable after a while and it can create some shoulder problems. So what I decided to do, instead of having my arm all the way here, I kind of hold the shear on the bottom. So instead of putting my finger on the top, I put it on the bottom. Like this, I can lower my shoulder and I can be more like this. This allows me to be more relaxed, having my wrist more straight, having my shoulder lower, and increases the length that I'm gonna be able to cut. Another thing very important is that not just in this position, also when you're going to do haircuts like this, you can also hold your shear the opposite way. So what I usually do is that in my shears, I'm holding it like this, I would turn it around and I will put my finger here. So like that, I'm over here instead of being like this. And that's it guys for 2-Minute Tuesdays. We're gonna be dropping a lot of more content on Tuesdays, tips and tricks that will help you become a better barber. Don't forget to subscribe and like it, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.